Hello and welcome back to the Alteryx Weekly Challenge. Me at Bignell. This is challenge number 126 and we're filling in the date gaps. So this week's challenge, we're trying to prepare some data for a time-lapse visualization. I think it's this one here where we've got numbers increasing for each country over time, over a period, and we need to basically create the data that does that. Creates the running totals for each day or period in this. So if we have a look at the start file, so we have a start file here, and then we have basically Argentina. It's got 2 on these 2 dates, and then Australia goes through quite a few for all these dates here. So the start date says to make sure a country has a running total for every day between 10th of the 1st, 2018 and today. Date time now. Okay, so we have to generate some rows per country. I think is what we're going to have to do to be able to cope with that. What we got in here then? Yeah, so in here it starts and here it apparently starts on the, well, it must be American date, 1st of October 2018, but it says the 1st of October 2017 here. So I think I'll go with this output one, and we need to generate per country. Okay, so let's have about that. So we want to start on that date. We don't want to run it, and we'll just join this in. So we need to know all the countries that there are. So let's just summarize on the countries. So let's summarize on group by the countries. What that'll do is give us the country name, right? Okay, so there are only 4 country names in this. We can then build out this view. So we also need, so past underscore exams. Okay, so let's just bring in a formula, and we can then add that in there. So we add it. Exams, and it's a 0, and we'll make it a integer. Okay, so that'll be the first one, and then we can generate some rows. Okay, and we want a new field, which is the date. So what is it called in here? It is called date time underscore finished. Okay, that is not any uppercase in it, so let's just switch that around as well. Okay, and then we want, is it date time underscore finished. So we want to create a new field. We're going to call it date time underscore finished. We'll make it a date, and the expression we want to start with is 2018, no, 17 10 01, and then we want to take this, and we want to say that the new field of date time finish is smaller or equal to than date time now. So date time now, where is that? Date time now, there we go. Okay, and then the expression is to add each day. So if we create the formula, the function date time add, we want to take the past which one was it? No, new field. So we want to take date time finished. We want to add in 1 day. Okay. And if we want to, do we want to group that? No. I think we want to do this separately and then append it into each row. So if we get rid of that and put it down there. Yeah. So now we have all the days. Now we can, so yeah, up until today, and we can then append it to each of these. That will massively increase our row count. So we need to make sure we turn off this allow, or turn on all this allow all appends. And then that should, let's just move that one up so it's at the beginning. All right, that will give us. Okay, so that's given us the structure similar to here. Okay, so run total is what we then want to get to, and if we, so then all we have to do is join, so we can join in this original total. Okay, so if we join by the date time finish and we join by country, we don't need the date time finish again, but we could do with this write past exams. This will give us a number in each of them. Okay, so we run that, so we don't have everything, and suddenly we have, so if we sort this so we can see what's going on, sort by country and then by date time finished. Okay, that should be better. There we, that's not right, is it? Oh, because it's all the zeros are in this one. Okay, yeah, so let's just get rid of that. So now we have the 2 on there, so what we can do is replace this and this and then union it all back together. Yeah, so what we can actually do is we can do it here, and we can just get rid of that, and that will overwrite that, and then we can union them back together. Yeah, so let's do that. We'll then have to resort it and then resort. Bring in the by by country first and then by time. Okay, so we run that, that should be better. There we go. Right, now we have the numbers in there, but we don't have the running total. We just have, like here for example, you know, we need, that should now be 1 1 1 after that. So so we're going to say if we just bring in a running total here, so create running total, group by country. Okay, let's run that and see what we get. Here we go, so that's now brought that in. So what we're aiming for here is run total past exams, and we now have a run total past exams. So let's just get rid of the original one, and then we should be good. We bring a browse on the end, run that. Looks pretty similar to me. Let's scroll down a bit. Oh, reset it. So, oh, yeah. So we've got different rows because we've got different number of dates in there. This one only goes to a different date. Okay, right. But you've got the idea. It runs through it. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next time.